So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the van, you can see we have reversing sensors. The whole van has been ply-lined with that full metal bulkhead as well, and a sliding side door here on the passenger side. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dial section just here. You can see the total miles for the van on 9,518. Above that, you can see we have various bits of information. So you can have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel. Below that, we have the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge, and underneath that, it will show you what gear this car is currently in, or this van is in. We're in park at the moment as it's an automatic. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right-hand side, stereo and phone controls. The stereo controls continue just here as well. And then over in the center, we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The button on the side here will enable you to change up and down a gear manually should you wish to do that. We have these buttons here, which will enable you to turn the parking sensors on and off and change the various different driving modes for the van as well. And then above that, the main screen. So you can turn the audio on. You can adjust the volume from here. You can also then pair your phone. Hit connect to phone and then add phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
Then follow the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to listening to music, we've got a few different ways in which you can do that. So the radio, of course. We have AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio so you can stream your music wirelessly. This vehicle also has two separate USB inputs as well. So you have one above the steering wheel next to a 12-volt charging socket, and then one below the stereo section, again with another 12-volt charging socket. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.